I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open your Audi A3 petrol cap. First, locate the fuel cap release mechanism inside your car. This is usually a small button or lever situated on the driver's side door panel or dashboard. Make sure your Audi A3 is unlocked, as the fuel cap often remains secured when the doors are locked. This simple step ensures you can proceed smoothly to the next stage of refueling. Once you've found the release, gently but firmly press or pull the button or lever. You should hear a distinct click, indicating that the fuel flap has successfully disengaged. The flap will then pop open slightly, revealing the fuel cap itself. There's no need to force it. A gentle action is usually all that's required for the mechanism to work correctly. With the fuel flap open, you'll see the actual fuel cap. To remove it, turn the cap counterclockwise until it loosens completely. Once unscrewed, you can take the cap off. Many Audi A3 models feature a convenient holder for the cap, often located on the inside of the fuel flap, or a tether to keep it attached to the vehicle while you refuel. After refueling, replace the fuel cap by turning it clockwise until you hear a click, indicating it's securely tightened. Then, gently push the fuel flap closed. Make sure it latches firmly and is flush with the car's body. A properly closed fuel cap and flap are essential for safety and to prevent fuel evaporation. You're all set to drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.